Welcome to the video Tourism Resources, Spaces and Markets, Product Concept and Positioning. In this video, we will draw attention to current business models as well as future trends. We will continue by considering the possibilities of diversifying the financing of historic houses, especially through tourism. We will also highlight the importance of collaborative work with other agents in the region to create products of value that are well positioned in the market. We should begin by explaining that a business model is an abstract representation of the company. It precedes the business plan and provides a clear definition of what will be offered on the market. This table shows some of the models that can provide inspiration for application in historic houses: the long tail model, the sustainable tourism model, and the P2P model for accommodation. The long tail business model works by selling a wide variety of niche products, which individually sell very little, but which in total generate a high sales volume. The aim of the sustainable tourism model is to ensure a smooth and continuous balance between the economic development of the territory and nature conservation through the involvement of the local community. A peer-to-peer business model is based on the sale of products or services through a platform where consumers can buy what various brands or people offer without having to deal with intermediaries. In tourism, one of the sectors that has developed this model the most has been accommodation, but it's also used in the transport sector and even by restaurants or free guided tours. A win-win negotiation is a marketing strategy that tries to ensure that all parties obtain benefits, regardless of whether they are companies, distributors, sales channels and/or consumers. It's a highly recommendable and beneficial strategy, although it cannot be applied to all cases. This strategy is designed to achieve both tangible and emotional benefits and is practiced in business synergies between companies, especially between professionals directly, more frequently by sole traders who have the capacity to make decisions rather than the managers or employees of a company. A number of marketing theories posit that the win-win strategy will spread and reach full maturity when we think more globally and integrate aspects that are not directly part of the commercial element. In other words, more than the company, the distribution channel, the sales channel, and the buyer-client market. The 7 Ps of marketing, the service marketing mix, are key tactical tools that can be controlled by the service companies and businesses, including those in the tourism sector. They seek a specific, previously determined response in the market, product sale. Here we present them one by one. Product. This means the product or service that satisfies customers' needs. This product or service must differentiate in terms of image and quality, regardless of whether the historic house is offered as accommodation, for visits, events, public or private, restaurants, or as a museum, etc. Place. It's synonymous with distribution and represents the way in which the company or business provides customers with details of the most appropriate places, times, and conditions. Price. This means the amount of money that the customer is willing to pay for what is offered, and therefore value from money is a factor for consideration. Promotion. It's the way in which the company or business sends messages, communication, to its target audience to inform them about the services and product. The objective is to persuade them to buy or use it and to differentiate the offer from that of the competition. The use of guides, websites, advertisements, or PR events are all examples of promotion actions. People, one of the most important variables for achieving customer satisfaction. Everyone working for the business must join forces in a unified effort. Processes. This refers to all the actions conducted by the company or business to maintain a close relationship with its customers, follow-up and customer loyalty. This requires market research and customer awareness. Positioning is synonymous with the presence against the competition, such as other historic or heritage houses that offer similar services. Brand image, corporate identity, and company culture are key differentiating aspects. We hope you found this video on tourism resources, spaces and markets, product concept and positioning useful. We'll see you in the next video.